This is how you add multiple enchantments onto any weapons. 255 is the max for Minecraft. This is Minecraft Java Edition. Make sure it's the latest. This isn't really the latest, but still. What you want to do is create a new world with allow commands on. But if you don't have allow commands on in a single player world, you can just you can open the world of LAN. Make sure commands is on. Once it's open, you can basically open the commands, and here's the command right here. It's a neverite sword with sharpness 255 and unbreaking 255 also. And it should just give us the sword right here. Right there. And if you want to add any extra like enchantments to it, make sure to keep it all in the brackets right here. And just put whatever enchantments, like what, Smite 255. Max. Unless I can go more, maybe. No. It's capped at 255. Okay. So that's how you do it. Multiple 255 swords. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.